you guys! I've been thinking a lot lately about what kind of videos to put out because, like I said, I don't really have any new stuff to do reviews on or first impressions on or anything, and I don't really want my channel to be very repetitive and just one in a million. Do you know what I'm saying? Not that I want my channel to stand out as much as possible, but you know, I've always felt like, and I was telling my husband this, I started a YouTube channel because I wanted to have something for myself. I feel like I didn't have anything for myself, and I wanted to start a channel that was a creative outlet for me, just to try out new things, not just products, but try different things like filming and editing and branching out, just the interactions that I might have with, you know, commenters and just constructive criticism and building up my character and building up our channel. And I had all these ideas, not necessarily about what content I was going to put in my channel, but ideas about how this channel might help me grow as a person, and I would have that for myself. Do you know what I'm saying? That would be mine. Nobody can take that away from me. That's how I felt when I started this channel. And after I stopped vlogging and after I couldn't figure out how to do or how to upload videos efficiently in the beginning, and then kind of just life kind of took over, I kind of lost that. And then, not to sound very cliche-ish, but I saw my life, aka my husband, and I finally had everything that I never had and more. Yeah, so this channel is just a hobby of mine, or that's my intention right now. It's not my main focus to make money or make it big here on YouTube, because it is a very saturated community. Beauty, style, how to, whatever it may be. YouTube is very saturated right now. So I just restarted this channel as a hobby, like I said, another creative outlet, but to just, since I have a lot more stuff to do now, since I have this new life, do you know what I'm saying, a busy life, I thought I could incorporate some of that into my videos and make it interesting for you guys. But I certainly don't have a clue on how to do it or how to go about it even right now. And my idea was that as I upload videos, kind of filler videos, but once I get the hang of, you know, filming something, editing something, uploading something to a schedule, once I get the hang of that, then ideas will pop into my head. It was so difficult before the wedding. It was just really difficult, and it took a toll on me. It took a toll on my brain, it took a toll on my energy, my body, my mind. Even the littlest bit of creative touch that I felt like I had before our love story even started, and before I, you know, everything, I feel like I've lost that even the littlest bit of creative touch. Does that make sense? Was that even English? But I feel like I lost that. And my husband keeps reminding me that it's not lost, more so hidden. You know, I just have to brush off the dust on top of that creative spirit or creative bone in me, and I just have to recreate myself in a certain different way than I thought I would take this channel in. And it makes sense. This is turning out to be a much longer intro than I anticipated, but all I'm trying to say is we're gonna try out this new video. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna edit and upload this, but I'm just filming it just in case I feel like this is content worth uploading in our channel. This is not a dramatic video or anything. I'm just gonna clean our room or clean our space. This upstairs of this house is our space. You guys are part of our PS family anyway, so this is our space. It's not a very big environment. Do you know what I'm saying? It's a living room and this bedroom, and there's a terrace right outside this direction, and there's a terrace over there. So our upstairs environment consists of two terraces, consist of two balconies. There we go. The staircase that goes down, and the living room or game room, I suppose, and our room. So my focus has been trying to get both of our stuff organized and categorized and clean and neat and presentable to ourselves, even not even presentable to everybody else, because nobody really comes upstairs. So just neat and clean and just easier to access everything. That's my main goal. I want everything to be easily accessible. I need to know where everything is because my husband is essentially a toddler, and I don't restrict him or anything. I just love the way he is. Obviously, he's my husband, but it causes a bit of chaos in my brain. I'm just trying to organize our environment the way I want it to be, and you know, I'm just trying to get it to that spot. And it's been a year since our wedding and I still haven't gotten it to where I want it to go. So I just thought it'd be valuable to share that time that I spend here cleaning or trying to organize things around our environment, our space, our upstairs. So I'm gonna go grab coffee. I'm gonna enjoy the cup of coffee, think about what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to film, what I'm trying to put out for you guys, and we'll get started. So this paperwork right here, it needs to go in a folder that's called memory, and we have this memory box, and this paperwork is recent memory stuff. So this needs to go in there, and that folder is all the way up on top of the cupboard outside in the living room or game room. So I'm waiting for my husband to get back home so that he can get that folder out, and then I can empty out this fish tank, old fish tank. Yeah, so one of the things that I wanted to mention, you know, we have these two fish tanks. I'm gonna sit back down on the stool so I'm not awkwardly down here. So we have these two fish tanks and I want to repurpose them for something, reuse them for something, but I can't quite figure out for what. Like, I don't know what purpose I would use them for. Maybe I was thinking of doing a little planter with them. I was thinking of doing a little, like for example, like that. Like I used this fish tank for perfumes, but even though it's in use, it doesn't look that good. I don't know how to say it. It doesn't look presentable. I was thinking about spray painting it, and I already bought spray paint. I just haven't had the chance to do so. If you guys have any ideas, please do let me know. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do something with these two fish tanks. This one is not gonna be just at least left plain like this. Maybe I would just spray paint it and use it for the same thing. But this one, I really want to change it up. Maybe I was thinking of putting those indoor plants in this, set it up with like pebbles and a little bit of sand and a little bit of perlite. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Stuff that's good for the plants, for indoor plants, and maybe 3 of those little indoor plants that supply a ton of oxygen and supposed to cleanse the air around it. So I think we would benefit so much more with a planter in our room because it's such a small room with a lot of stuff in it. I don't know. If I do a planter out of this fishbowl, maybe I should just do a planter out of that one too, so that they're symmetrical. Do you know what I'm saying? Like there's a mirror, there's 2 cupboards right here, and 2 mini shelves with the machine prototype over there, and a conch shell on this one. So on the surface of the dresser, we would have a planter over here and a planter over there. That would look more pleasing to the eye, won't it? I was thinking of that too, but then where would I put these perfume things? So there's 2 drawers here, and then likewise there's 2 drawers underneath this fishbowl too. And the top drawer on that one, I'll show you, that one has all my beauty items, like my routine stuff that I either want to make it a routine to use or am using as a routine. Yeah, so that drawer houses all of that stuff. And the bottom drawer has our documents. I'm not going to open it completely and show you, but I'll just give you a little peek-see. But the document drawer is also organized into folders. That's that drawer. And over here, these 2 drawers, the top drawer is my husband's drawer where, you know, it houses his towels and his daily stuff. And the one below it, again, I don't know how to organize because there's a lot of stuff and I can't group it into categories because they're kind of random. And even if I do group them into categories, I don't know how to house them inside the drawer. And the problem with the bottom drawers is that they collect so much more dust than the top drawers because we open the top drawer so much, and this thing is made of wood, so it has wood dust and like just dust on them. No matter how much I wipe, like if I wipe today and I close the door, there's going to be dust on it because I merely closed the door. I don't really need to go into the organizations of the cupboards up here because I've gotten that figured out, and I'm utilizing the space inside these 2 cupboards as much as possible. But it's the top that I don't feel connected to, or I don't feel like I'm doing my best to present it as well as I could. Yeah, I really don't know, like I said, how this video is going to turn out entertainment wise. That's what I mean. I think we're going to stop this video here. Although I have a lot of stuff to clean, I'm going to probably do like little clips, like cleaning out the dresser, cleaning out the bench that we have in our room, cleaning out our bed, cleaning out certain parts of the room and certain parts of our space and environment, and then gradually you guys can come with us while we clean, organize, decorate possibly, and optimize the space that we have, because we do have so much more stuff and so much less of space. Maybe we do have enough space and I'm just not optimizing it as much as I could. And that's where this video I thought would come in, because you guys can see and maybe give me tips and tricks on how to decorate and how to organize and how to do all that stuff. I might take you guys with me while I'm like planning to decorate it certain ways, like I told you with my fish bowls. So I don't know, I feel like there's a spider on me and I can't tell. I need my Shelly Cookie to verify that I don't have any spiders on me. Anyway, yeah, I think that's enough for our dresser area for now, and I wish all of you guys the bestest of the best, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.